tired, but I can't miss. The sun is looking too pretty, so I got glasses.
What the sun look like? We're going over here. You excited? Look at the baby. I think the baby excited. This is the second trip with the baby 2 weeks.
No liquor. Amigo. No liquor. Para mí. That Kitty Manuel back there. Kitty Manuel. Little cousin. Sammy. And then we all know this guy. Okay, I have it's good. I'm not allowed to be in a jacuzzi, but your girl feet hurt.
Ah, Margie, y las niñas. Claro.
¿Se siente que cheese?
Cheese.
¿Se siente?
He like, no. Medio mundo.
Tengo una pregunta. ¿Usted vive en Canadá? Por favor, dime que sí.
Desde allá y I got it. Now it's been cooked.
Hey, I love you two family.
Stay wiggle. Trying to keep my butt up.
Well guys, it's about 11:40 now, and as you can see, your girl is ready for bed. I'm about to take and put some rods in my hair so I can have curly hair tomorrow. But my first day here was an interesting one. It was a nice day. We had lots of food. We just left the Japanese restaurant. My feet are swollen. I got my socks on, so you can't see them right now, but I needed something comfortable. These are my Christmas socks my mom got me. But anyways, let's see. Let's talk about the resort. I like the resort. It's beautiful, very beautiful. Lots of workers, lots of amenities and things like that. So I'm not quite sure more things that, I mean, as we go along, we'll learn more about the resort. I feel like it's more so like a cruise. When you go on the cruise, you know, unlimited food, buffet all day long, and dinner, you know, and it's like upper class dinners and stuff like that. So, good night, everybody. I am getting ready to go to sleep. I might not even be able to curl this because your girl is tired. Day today. I love being out here. I just can't do it's cold because of the wind. Oh, turn this around. I want you to see the water. Bonita. Oh, look at them. Relationship goals. I like being out here. It's very peaceful, especially on the end that I'm on. More on the adult end, so I don't get much annoyingness from children. There's a few children around, but where I'm at, it's the adult area, so people can actually be nude over here. So this is nude as I'm getting.
Yeah, you know that.
So, dudes, I don't think I've been doing a good job of vlogging.
So much fun.
As you can see.
Yeah, Satin. She let me put my durag on, so now I got a line.
I mean, I guess y'all can't really see it. Maybe you'll see it tomorrow.
It's no light.
But it's burning.
I don't know what you're talking.
Sorry. So you can see it better in here, guys. How red my nose is, and then oh, KFC in the back.
Whoa, you see that?
So we're going to
That'd be
dinner
crazy.
this day
Let me see
too.
that. Whoa, sad.
With con familia. Adiós, Paula. Another beautiful day in Dominican Republic at the beach, trying to enjoy private time, quiet time. No distractions, nobody talking. I like serenity, especially when I'm at the beach.
Yeah, baby.
I asked her, said, what play did you make? I said, ugly one, but he like it. And I said, well, he like it. She said like that. I ugly one, but he like it. It sounded good though.
No, papito, no tiene para mover. Ay, no, eso no se puede tomar entre tres. Pues sí, no se puede. Hay que acabar.
Yesterday went at the bar, and it was about to close. I think it was 2 or 3 o'clock.
2 a.m. they closed. So we had 2 minutes. So
Yeah,
I
so
told the bartender, please, we need a lot.
He said, fill it up.
He said, I'm gonna fill up beer until they turn it.
Hey.